Hello, DevALMO here, under for the market side with the channel. Today we are gonna continue our React hooks tutorial. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and let's go. So we are gonna study useRef and understand its intricacy, but we are gonna compare it first with useState and let. We are declaring all of them right here. useRef, you use it just like this, and in here we are writing all of them on the screen. And in the input, every time we change the input, we are gonna set a new value to our state, change the value of let, and change useRef. Notice that when we are using useRef, the value is on the constant that we are creating dot current. That is where the value that we are gonna use will be stored. So keep that in mind. Let's test it, right? Let doesn't write anything, and useState and useRef is the same thing. No, it's not. The thing that is happening is because we can only see the value if we add a console log, because it does not update in the screen. So if we inspect it, we can change this value and we can actually see that the let value is changing, but it does not apply to the screen. But state and ref does show up, so they are the same thing, right? Well, actually no, because useRef is kinda like useState and kinda like let. And what I mean by that is that useRef only updates when the screen is refreshed, but right here it is updating at the same time, right? So it's the same as useState. No, it's not, because useRef is only updating in the same rate as useState because we are using useState, and useState forces the page to refresh. So if we take useState out of the equation, we can save this, and now we are gonna see that nothing is changing. Why is that? Well, so useRef is broken, it's not working anymore, right? So we can inspect it once again, and we can see that those numbers are still in here, so let is changing. But we should check if ref is changing. How we are gonna do that? Well, we are gonna do the same thing as we did for the let. And so we can see the value, we can say that this is ref and it's plus ref current. Something that you should be aware of is that when I save this right here, it forces the page to refresh itself. So the ref value will show up here. But if we change it right now, we can actually see that each time we are adding a G right here, the let is changing, and all this between this half G, ref GG, and so on, It's because the value is changing, but it does not show up on the screen. And this is because useRef only shows up in the screen when the page refreshes. For example, if I just take this console log off and save it again, then the page will refresh because the code will change, and this is it. I hope useRef is clear. Talk to me in the comments. I'm always responding to the comments you leave there. Leave the like, subscribe, it helps me a lot, and I see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.